So it seems, from a young, very young age. It's almost like they came out of the womb and they were popular, the joyful one, and they became instantly favored and could do no wrong. Is this how it happened? Being labeled as the golden child comes with its fair share of privileges and advantages during childhood and adolescence. Golden children often receive immense praise, attention, and high expectations from their families, and may even extend into extended family and working relationships. However, the journey doesn't end with childhood, and as they transition into adulthood, golden children often encounter a unique set of challenges that can shape their lives in unexpected and detrimental ways. In this episode, we will explore some of the difficulties that golden children face as they navigate